Hello, Ticat Nation. The Bombers are in town, and this game is dedicated to Ted Goveia, manager of the Hamilton Tiger Cats, who passed away just hours before kickoff. Let the battle begin! The Bombers come out firing, but Jamel Peters intercepts the ball. He takes off towards the end zone, but gets taken down inside the 10. Oh man, what a break and lunge for the ball. Mitchell makes a pay right away with a little swing pass to Bell, who breaks a tackle on his way in for the touchdown. Hamilton, while watching an old episode of Cheers, Strevler gets the snap, fires it out to Wheatfall, who jogs in for the touchdown. Strevler takes the snap, rolls right, gets the pressure, throws down into the middle, and Deshaun Amos jumps in front for the interception and takes the ball into Winnipeg territory. 2nd and 4, 39 seconds left in the half. Mitchell takes the snap. Winnipeg brings the pressure. Bo runs out and fires it to Tim White for the touchdown to make the halftime score.
The Winnipeg Blue Bombers 10 and the Hamilton Tiger Cats 20.
Both teams exchanged field goals in the third.
Legio from 13. Castillo from 26.
With under 3 minutes left to go in the game, Bell gets the handoff, weaves in between through the defense for the touchdown to make the final. The Winnipeg Blue Bombers 21 and our Hamilton Tiger Cats 32. All right. Alpaca Dave, who gets the Wilson Ticat game ball? The Wilson Ticat game ball, by unanimous decision, goes to Ted Goveia. 16 plus years in the CFL, 3 championships, 2 with Winnipeg and 1 with Toronto, and made our team what we are this season, #1 in the East. This Wilson game ball is dedicated to you. Oski wee wee! At the end of this video, check out the 1-minute tribute with Alpaca Dave honoring Ted. The next game for the Cats is at home against the Edmonton Elks on Saturday, September 20th at 7 o'clock, live on TSN. The Elks are in town and the Tigers are hunting for 2 points. See you at the game. Oski wee wee!